everyone. Today is another day for history making. We are not just talking culture, we are also talking history. Because without history, culture can never exist. We are here with our daddy who is going to talk so much on the history of the Idoma people. He's going to talk to us on the things that the Idoma people do in those days that is gradually fading away. Please stay tuned as daddy introduces himself to us.
Thank you. Yelek Chief Isaac Okobo, village head, Eboloba community. Elano ina lokana na okwe. Aje kalono idoma. Odan kaloki idoma. To prove no idoma no. Alohache ae none memle nochi. Ejenja loko hakpe nukwarafa. Alo idoma ikunu. Uchiuya kaloki wikunu. Odan olohi. Olochi ama. Olohi olochi handu. But cheno na logaya no babanya ocholo dele wa kubia dele wa bia ne he o we ko dele wa no ke bia ai penenche ipa hokadu again ai penenche ipa hokadu again adu ale hotu na odo ha no watu anige ya ha ke memlo da dudu na da logi mafla logogo aloke again amo no we mafuga ne cheki care Odan kayo memla dao na li jonyule adao gi dokonya gio ikududu na dao lo nyama egeno oye uga ilo nyama uga oka hini oile lo nya no dokule lo ano keka boleng
Come on.
ukwangba ku hekwa abo o mane chekuba ba ni hole ku courtship aw longba hekwa abo ongba mano hekwa abo o do inu no ga alo nyanya lo ka hini ikudu na onwe ho aho bebi gbe fun yo jitaje bo
Oyo chonyo.
yes ada igbego mano ge ye o ge monitor ko ipe o je kunu ja gbe kono ya ku je o ko ije ku po anda ge bije ipo to ya one oju family no ya ma o dan kada o ge wuwi awon